Hi tribe, welcome back to day 5 of our 100 days hair education. Day 5, we'll be talking about the kitchen cure cone. Is your DIY vinegar rinse damaging your hair? Apple cider vinegar or lemon rinse are a perfect natural way to close the cuticle and make your hair shine. Everyone loves natural hack. And for years, the internet has pushed DIY rinses, ACV, and lemon juice promising incredible shine. But what happens when the natural solution is actually too harsh, too acidic, and potentially fading 300 color? The truth about acidity and your hair is key to long-term health. I had this gorgeous client, Chloe, with bright copper color treated hair. She loved the shine when she got her weekly ACV rinse. But after 6 months, her copper was turning muddy, her ends were brittle, and she had a strange gummy texture near her roots. We realized that while the ACV was acidic and closing the cuticle, she was using a concentration that was too strong too often. The highly acidic solution was slowly eroding her delicate color follicles and in some area causing the hair shaft to swell and then crack. She was just chasing shine at the expense of integrity. The trichologist truth that the science debunked. This myth is based on a half-truth. Hair does love slightly acidic environment because it helps the outer cuticle layer lie flat, reflecting light, which is shine. Okay. However, the DIY application is the problem. The pH imbalance. The natural pH of your hair and scalp is around 4.5 to 5.5. Pure ACV can have a pH as low as 2.5. Using it undiluted or too frequently subjects your hair to a massive pH shock. Highly acidic solution can disrupt the protein bound and strip color. You're trading a natural shine for premature color fade and structural damage over time. Commercial shampoos and conditioners are formulated with precise pH buffers to ensure they are acidic enough to smooth the cuticle but gentle enough to be safe. You cannot guarantee the right balance in your kitchen. Skip the DIY kitchen rinse. If you want a balancing cleanse, buy a commercially formulated ACV rinse or clarifying shampoo like EJ Natural Shampoo. They give you the shine beneath without the risk of over acidifying and damaging your hair. So tribe, have you tried an ACV or lemon rinse before? Did it make your hair feel softer or drier? Tell me your honest experience in the comment section. Tribe, stop believing the hype. Start knowing the truth. Your hair deserves better. Follow me for day 6 where we transition into phase 2, the growth and damage dossier, starting with the myth about cutting your hair to make it grow. See you in day 6.